Assalamu alaikum. In front of camera, I am ALIF Islam, a student of Chattogram University. To make a English spoken single video which inspire me. I used to get up early in the morning, but now I cannot eat maintain properly. I don't know why I cannot able to eat. Today I have got up so late. I know early rising is better for health, and a man who is early rising, he gets up a lot of time for work, and early rising keeps our health fit and productive. By the way, I have brushed my teeth and turned on the faucet and washing my face, hands and hair. Now you can see also my hair is so beautiful because yesterday I was cut my hair by barber. The barber was cutting my hair so beautifully and gorgeous. I have fluted my clothes and made my bed nicely. I have not taken a bath. I have not taken a bath yet. Now I am sitting on the chair. The chair is made of wood. Back front of me, I see one field, and now it has been raining on the field since for morning. I know every crying moment, every aloneness moment, every depression will move me a place which will be best place for me and for my future. So I try to hard work for achieve it. I know I cannot talk English properly, but I try to it always and continue. I know one day I will able to talk English plainly and confidently as a native person.